We need a rock. There we go. That'll work. So I totally forgot the emergency brake was set on my bike. Now I'm gonna go get the bag. Let's see if this works. So I have some fairly sharp, this is very sharp, tools that should be able to slice through that leather. I think I got this from the Dollar Tree. Can't remember. Anyways. Oh my gosh, trying to see the marks. So I have a cutting board right here. I'm going to see if I can use this to slice. Making sure you're on those marks. Oh, this is gonna work great. Oh my goodness. Oh, I think that worked already. Oh, it did. That was with that roller. Let me find the other one. All right. And then it'll go around the bar and then back up through. Let me do the other one. Just gotta find that opening. Harder than threading a needle. I don't know why. Whew, oh my goodness, I had to get at it a different perspective, just like our cards say. I had to flip it up the other direction. All right. So now I have them both sticking out. Let's go outside. Coffee first. Let's see how this works. Oh, let me take this off so I don't scratch it. Oh, so this is gonna work nice, you guys. All right, so. Oh, I forgot my bike key. I got storage under my seat.
You guys. For a few moments here, I really thought I put my key under my seat. Watch me be confused. At this point, I'm thinking, explain this to Larry. Did you see me look up? I'm like, oh crap. Bingo. Found them. Looking around to make sure nobody saw.
Well, oh, so this is gonna be different. It's gonna take some getting used to that bag on the back. I think it looks cool. I mean, it definitely looks nice. But, do you know, that's like, I have to lift my leg up that much higher. Oh, yeah. I don't know. And it's pretty close to the same color. What do you think? Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. You got mud on my tires. Got a little mud on my duck. So I have to take care of that too. I mean, she's still a pretty bike, even with a luggage thingy on it. And we'll see. Let's go for a spin.